Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today I'm joined by my lovely husband Rick. We've been away.
That's my idea.
As you probably can tell by the title, today's video is a what I ate in a day, or rather what we ate in a day, because we were recently challenged by Muscle Food to do the Unthinkable challenge for 2 weeks. We thought we could talk you through it a little bit, and then I'm going to do my what I ate in a day on the Muscle Food plan, and then you do one to kind of show what we had, and then at the end we're going to talk through our results and tell you, how it went. So I don't know about you, but before we started this and we looked into it obviously quite a lot before we agreed to do it, before I thought Muscle Food was something that was for bodybuilders. And I don't know why, I felt like they sent you loads of meat.
I've had a few friends that have used it, but they're like, they've been big gym goers, and
right.
I thought it was mainly for people like that.
Yeah, what I was worried about that it was like some kind of diet, and I don't want to promote diets on my channel, but what we've actually learned is it's kind of the complete opposite of a diet. You get meal plans, and it helps you to control your portion size, which is something we've learned a lot about, isn't it? And
it definitely
also,
helped me, portion size.
Yeah, portion sizes, and then also eating regularly. You can go onto their website and you can select your age, your height, your weight, which is what we did. Obviously we are very different, we're different genders, we're different, very different heights, very different weights, so you may be thinking, why would you both go on the same meal plan? But because you can select these things, you get a different meal plan tailored to you. When
we started this, I chose the option to lose weight.
And I selected to tone up, because I didn't really want to lose weight, but toning up is always a good thing, and I also wanted to just be eating better and more regularly.
So you get to choose your meals for the week, or the 6 days that you're doing
snacks.
it. Yeah, and your snacks, which really help. And that is for your breakfast, lunch and your dinner, and then your snacks in between. And there's also a lot of variety. You can get a vegetarian option, a vegan option, meat options. There's so much choice. I mean, when me and you done it, we didn't really know what to pick because there was so much choice.
There's a lot on there. There's loads of options. You can either choose to have all of your meals if you want, like pre-prepared for you, so you just have to microwave them or cook them. Or if you like to cook, then you can choose meal kits and make food from scratch as well. So it's just really easy and flexible.
I did like that there was the option to have a quick meal, and then you got meal kits to make your own meal as well from fresh. That was really
you
good.
can kind of pick and choose, can't you? As well as the meal plan, you can also take advantage of all of the exercise videos that they have, and you can follow along with him at home. So for example, Rick goes to the gym, but he's also been doing some of the exercises at home, and I've joined in a little bit with it, but I also walk like to and from the school run every day. So like there's different ways you can do exercises. You don't have to be really strict about it, but it's really great that you can incorporate that into your lifestyle slowly and just progressively up it. And there's also the Facebook group, which is just a community of lots of people that are also on the same plan, supporting each other, sharing like photos, their befores and afters, and just basically giving you that bit of motivation to keep on track. Now we're going to jump into our what I ate in a day. Does that make sense? What I eat in a day. Mine
what
first,
you ate in a day,
what I ate in a day, then what you ate in a day, and then we're going to come back and tell you our results. So keep on watching until the end. Good morning. So I've just got back from the school run. I'm looking a little bit windswept and my eyes are watered everywhere. I'm just having my first meal of the day, which is a Fuel protein boosted granola pot, which looks like this, and these are the chunky chocolate ones. So I'm really excited to try this and see what it's like. I've just added milk, but you can add yogurt or a milk alternative, whatever you want to. And I've noticed as well, like there's a lot less in there than I would normally fill a bowl up of cereal or something like that. So I think it's really good to learn your portion sizes as well, because this is probably less than I would eat, but I'm interested to see if it fills me up for the morning. You do get a mid-morning snack as well though, so let's try it. Okay, so I'm just having my morning snack, because on this plan you basically get breakfast, a morning snack, lunch, an afternoon snack, dinner and an evening snack. So you're never really that hungry. This is actually a few hours after my breakfast, because it did fill me up, so I didn't really feel like I needed anything more, but now I'm kind of like, right, I could do with something and it's not quite lunch. So I have picked a naked bar out of my box. This is the coconut one. I really like these, I've had them before. And I thought I'd just show you what we've done with mine and Rikki's snacks so that we know whose is whose. So as you can imagine, 3 snacks a day does add up over 6 days. So we've just cleared out these 2 baskets in our like pantry cupboard thing. This is my side, and there's different like puffs, and there's more granola in there, there's protein balls, lots of things. And then this is Rikki's one, and again, loads of the snacks that he chose, loads of options. I'll obviously show you some more throughout the day, and he will show you what he picked too. Right, so excuse the hat, I've just popped out. I'm back now to have my lunch. I'm going to have one of these meals which are frozen, and this is a Moroccan tangine high protein pot. It has 413 calories and 2 of your 5 a day. So these are just really quick and easy for me for lunch. Just pop them in the microwave, and then I'll make like a dinner later from scratch from one of their meal kits. Hello. That was honestly so nice. It was couscous, which is one of my favourite things, and it had some courgettes and carrots in, and also meatballs, which were really nice as well. For my lunchtime snack, I feel like something like a little bit sweet, so I'm going to go for one of these Pro To Go gooey protein bar, and it's a peanut and milk chocolate flavour one. So I'm about halfway through of this. I just had to come back on here because it tastes so good. Have you got any of these?
I have 2.
Have you?
Yeah.
I wish I'd got more of these.
I think they might be slightly different flavours, but I've definitely got 2 of those bars.
I think they might be in my box.
No.
Tonight I'm going to make one of the meal kits for my dinner. I'm going to make the chorizo pasta with a chickpea crumb. This is what it looks like. This little card gives you all of the information on how to make it. And all of the ingredients are pre-proportioned out, so it actually makes it much quicker to cook as well, because you're just cooking one small portion for yourself. So in the meal kit you get some pasta, you also get chorizo, you get red peppers, a tomato sauce and a chickpea crumb. I've just boiled the kettle, so I'm going to boil the pasta, and then it's really easy to fry everything else, and then you basically just put it all together. That was so quick and easy to make, and I was worried it may not feel like enough, but it's filled up the whole bowl, and that will be plenty enough for me. So I'm going to try it now and let you know what it tastes like. Do you know what? That is absolutely delicious, and the chickpea crumb, never would have thought to do that before, but it adds such an interesting flavour to it. This is lovely. It's the evening now. I'm probably looking really dishevelled by this point, but I just wanted to show you my very last snack of the day, my evening snack. I decided to have some olives. I actually love olives, and I'm just watching one last programme before I go to bed, so I thought I'd have a little snack. These are the Ollie's olives, garlic and basil, so I'm excited to have these. And then that is all my meals for the day. I forgot to say, obviously I've been drinking water throughout the day. That's really important as well. And yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed everything I've had today, so I think Rick's going to film his what I eat in a day tomorrow, so you can see kind of like the things he's picked as well. But yeah, so far really impressed.
Good morning guys, so today is my turn to do the what I eat in a day on the Muscle Food Do the Unthinkable challenge, and for breakfast this morning I am going to be having this Fuel protein breakfast milk drink. Let's give it a go. That is actually really nice. Excuse the milk tash. What's good about this as well, which I just read, is that it has the same sugar content as semi-skimmed milk. Whilst we've been eating the Muscle Food, obviously, I don't know if Kate explained this, but in between each meal you're allowed a snack, one snack after each meal, and there's so many that you can choose from. Got like protein crisps, Flapjacks, protein bars, which that one is amazing. And then you've also got things like double chocolate chip cookies. It's about 11 o'clock now. I'm going to have a snack now, and I'm probably going to have, oh, I know these are really nice, but I'm going to save them for later. I'm going to go for the banana serene loaf, and then in about, I'd probably say 1ish, 1:30, I'll then have my lunch, and I'll show you guys what I'm having. So it is about 1:30, I have just made my lunch, and today I am having the tikka curry high protein pot. Let's give it a try. That is super tasty. What I've just realised as well when I've been reading that, as I showed you, it's actually meat-free. Don't know if you can see that just there, but it's a meat-free tikka protein pot. Every single one has been so tasty. Not only are they tasty, for me, they help because the actual size of the meal that you get in each pot, be right back. One of the reasons I like these pots is because the size of the portion that you get. Now, I am somebody that eats loads. Well, I don't eat loads, but when I'm hungry, I'll probably have way over the size portion that I should be having. So to have these each day for breakfast, lunch and dinner, as you can see, that portion is probably the perfect amount for me. Where they are the right portions for yourselves, you eat it all, there's no leftovers, you feel full afterwards, and then you can just think about your snack and your next meal. 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, and I'm just about to have my second snack of the day. I'm gonna try the Trek Protein Flapjack. I haven't actually tried this yet, so I'm gonna give it a whirl and see what it tastes like. That is actually delicious. It's got a little bit of a coconut flavour to it as well, which makes it taste even better. If you've got a bit of a sweet tooth, that is a perfect snack for you. Okay guys, so it is a little bit later than what I normally eat because the boys have only just gone to sleep. I normally eat with them before bed, but we was very busy just doing a bit of work and stuff, so I'm going to eat this now. I'm going to be having this beef chilli, which is really quick and easy to make. You just put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, so let's see how it tastes. That is spicy. Whew. That is really tasty. I'm actually really surprised on how tasty these meals are. You can really taste all the different flavours within the meals that you have. I've got a couple left that I haven't tried yet, but I can't wait to try them for the rest of the week. So I'm just going to finish eating this with my glass of water, and then I will show you guys my last snack of the day before I go to bed. So my last snack of the day are these Mountain Crisps, banging barbecue flavour, and they are just that, they are banging. I've had these before, they're super tasty, delicious, and they do feel a little whole. So I will be finishing these, and that is what I eat in a day.
There you go. I hope that gave you a little bit more of an insight into the kind of foods that you can have on the plan. We didn't want to film every single day because I would have got a bit repetitive, even though we were eating different things like every meal every different day. So it was really like interesting. And yeah, do you want to talk a bit about like the weight that you lost and how you found it?
Yeah, well, on the first week I lost 3 pounds, and on the second week I lost 2 pounds.
So in 2 weeks you lost 5 pounds.
5 pounds, yeah.
Bearing in mind you'd already been like trying to lose weight previously, so yeah. That's like a really good weight loss for 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah, and I think the portion size has helped.
Yeah.
Because previously, before this, even though I was trying to lose weight, I was still eating a Rikki-sized portion. And
I personally, like, didn't lose any weight because it was probably the amount I usually eat, or maybe even a little bit more, because like sometimes I can work through lunch and skip it, which is bad. So I wasn't really doing it for that reason, but it's really helped me to eat regularly, eat things that like are high in protein. So I felt like a little bit more, like I've got more energy through the day, because I definitely notice my energy dips at certain times and I just feel a bit blur.
Yeah.
But this kind of kept me going, and like Rikki said, even though the portions are smaller than we're used to, it just fills you up, so you don't ever feel like you're being on a restricted diet, which is awful. When
you have all the water as well that you're supposed to have with the meals, that, like you just said, it puts you in that better mood. So when you're waking up in the mornings or you get into the afternoons, early evenings, you're not getting that blah feeling. It's like you're up and you're ready and you're alert.
I hope you found this video helpful, useful. Maybe you've been thinking about doing it for a while, but you haven't really known whether to go for it. So maybe this has helped you understand how it works a little bit better. I think we would definitely recommend it, and we've had a really good experience. We've been very kindly given a £10 off code to offer to you guys watching this. So if you head down to the description box below and you do the Unthinkable plan, you'll get £10 off your first order. So give it a go, see what you think, and let us know if you do try it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and we will see you in another video very soon. Bye!
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone.